Sovex was established with the intention of manufacturing conveyors specifically for the parcel handling industry and providing a service and maintenance division to service that same industry. All the engineering from cradle to grave is done within Sovex. We have our own designers, our own control team, we develop our own software and we manufacture. Primarily the customer base at Sovex is parcel handling organisations throughout the UK and also now into Europe and Asia. DPD came to Sovex because of a specific problem where they wanted to load machines with a vehicle loader which would be flexible enough to load a transit and a 45-foot trailer. There's nothing in the marketplace at the moment which will satisfy that. Sovex, again, along with DPD, developed what we now know as the Bendy Boom.
DPD are a market leader in express parcels. One of the problems you have with all distribution warehouses is the ability to unload a C&D collection vehicle. The difference in height levels doesn't allow you to put a conveyor safely into the back of a vehicle. With the invention of the Bendy Boom, we overcame this and it's a much safer operation.
We work very closely with DPD. We see them as a partner rather than a customer.
We went out to the marketplace and spoke to Sovex and their competitors. Sovex was the only person that came back and were prepared to develop the machine with us.
We all at Sovex believe that we do manufacture a very, very high quality conveyor. What we don't do is handle parcels, and the partnership between the likes of DPD and Sovex, we think, results in the best product possible.
Within 3 weeks of sitting down with them, they came back with the original draft drawings, and then some 8 months later we was actually installing the boom on site. Once Sovex came up with the design of the new Bendy Boom, we found it was a great partnership. They worked with us all through the project, involved us in every stage of the design.
The machine has a great effect on the health and safety, specifically on the loading and offloading. The big problem in the industry today is bad backs, and that can take an awful lot of time out of the working week. By the development of the Bendy Boom, that restricts that to a minimum.
One of the biggest concerns when we installed the Bendy Boom was the health and safety element. How could we make it safe for the operator out in the yard? By doing this with Sovex, we come up with a new design of installing a separate set of buttons out on the loading dock which controls the boom, so the operator on the vehicle controls the boom.
The Bendy Boom allows the vehicle loader to go into the back of the boom and the last 1.8 metres of that boom to be declined 25 degrees to give maximum penetration, and also allow the Bendy Boom to service 45-foot trailers along with transit vans. We believe that this is unique and it is a world first.
One of the first things we noticed was the ability to improve the tip time of the Birmingham operation. What used to take us in excess of 3.5 hours is now down to about 1.5 hours. So we can now unload 14 local collection vehicles at any one time. Prior to installing the Bendy Boom, we can only unload one vehicle on one conveyor. I give you the problem, you at Sovex and your design team come up with a solution. Hence we put 14 into our new development here in Albury. It has revolutionised the operation in this facility.
Yeah, and I think that uniqueness has now been recognised.
We had people across from Poland recently, part of DPD Poland, and they was just absolutely fascinated with the machine because they have the same problem as us. And as I say, I think it will revolutionise the unloading of C&D fleet, and hopefully out of that you will get some more orders.
The intention now is to market the machine. Now it's been patented, not just in the UK market, but continue the marketing into the Asian and the European markets.
So things all good for you then now?
Yeah. I think again what it does prove is that we at Sovex believe that we make the best conveyors in the world, but we don't handle parcels. And the dialogue between our customers and our designers will continue forever and a day.